15 years ago, Montreal's Phil Hynes faced a crossroads in his early 20s. He yearned for change. Struggling with low self-esteem, he decided to regain control through exercise. That's where his transformative journey began. Before, sticking to a consistent routine was challenging. He often lost motivation and would stop exercising entirely. Finding new determination, he pursued a personal training course, eager to help others in their fitness journeys. Phil wanted to do more than just personal training. He dreamt of opening his own gym to reach more people. After 4 successful years, the pandemic created a new opportunity. He shifted his gym business online, launching a course. By June 2020, Phil's first Thinkific course was live, targeting over 3,000 learners and generating impressive revenue. His primary focus became beginners, creating simple workouts that were both accessible and effective for new exercisers. Recognizing his calling, he developed 2 key online programs, including a beginner workout membership for just $6.99. To keep engagement high, he emphasized accountability, personally checking in with each member multiple times each week. Understanding the value of consistency, his presence on social media grew, but Instagram became his main marketing platform. Hynes learned quickly that creating lead magnets like ebooks and free masterclasses helped attract more interested clients. As he looks to the future, Phil aims to focus on scalable online courses, stepping back from one-on-one sessions. With powerful insights and lessons learned, Hynes invites you to take that first leap into online course creation.